Yeah, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon everyone, wherever you're watching this live video from. So I'm just going to take down. Alright, so you can hear me very well. I remember that I told you guys that every Friday is going to be Artist Corner, and we'll be talking about how you can be successful and how you can as well change your social media to a stage whereby you have a lot of people coming to watch your performances and also get to engage in your career. First, how do I start? My name is Kessie Press. You already know, your host on Dope Tunes TV, where we have so many programs that we present and also to educate you. We have Small Talk, we have Artist Corner, we have This Na Naija, and many other programs are coming up. So first, for today, before I start, I want you to know what an artist is all about. So first, if you cannot define your career as an artist, that means you don't even know what you're doing. And another one, an artist is someone that brings the art. Maybe we have different types of artists: the ones that you can mold, the ones that you can creatively write, the one that you can as well bring out what you feel inside you and make people see or hear hear what was in your mind. And by so doing, you are able to communicate with people depending on the area you're coming out from. And now that's number one. Then how can you be successful as an artist? There's a link I'm going to drop below this video that will make you understand what steps and what step you should take to become a successful artist. I've tried, it works for me. I remember, if you go through my previous videos on this very channel, you see how I started. I started from scratch. I was on the floor. I did not even have table or gadgets like cameras like this to project my career and get to make people see what I am doing. So first, as an artist, you need to have the right tools to move your career. One is a good studio. The second one is good write-up, like lyrics that will captivate people, the message that will always want people to run to your circle and try to know maybe you've dropped something new and all that. But I see a lot of artists trying to sound like maybe the likes of Mercy Chinwo, Moses Blaze, and many other popular artists I cannot mention now. That's a total failure. You have to create a niche for yourself. You have to create that spot that will make people always feel like this person is unique in his own or her own way. So I always love to listen to him. Now another one is having a good producer, good production. Because sometimes you just want to do music and what you're giving out is clear and nice, but your production is bad. It will not make someone to just feel like continuing playing the song. They will just say, please skip that one. So you have to have a good production for yourself. And another one is a marketing strategy. You have to know how to push your song. You have to get how to get your own fans by building up a strong walls that will always make someone want to look out for you. By socializing, you have to be social. I know so many artists, they pride themselves too much that they cannot even relate with people or chat with people. They just feel that, oh, they are an artist, I don't need to talk to people, I am good and I'm talented. No, you have to have people that you work with, people that you talk to, people that you sometimes just have to bring yourself very low and tell people that, oh, this is me. But you can't just walk up to someone maybe on the road and say, I am an artist, would you love to listen to my song? You guys should engage yourself in some nice conversation. Now, I'm still coming to the part that I said I'm going to tell you how to convert your social media to a stage. But these are the procedures. You have to get people to know you. You have to relate with them positively. You have to be nice. You have to be humble. Now, with this, you can just start by check profiles and know the kind of personality you're reaching out to. Maybe like someone that loves gospel music, you just see worshiper, blah blah blah, and some hashtag that can I'll also come to hashtag that can help you as an artist. So it's going to be, all this stuff are going to be under this description, under the video. So you check out the people, meet with them, tell them hi, good morning or afternoon, wherever you are chatting from. You tell them that you would love to be friend, and you love making friends. And as you guys talk, you can as well introduce yourself. The person introduce his or herself to you, and you can now share pleasantries. But just know your target. Your target is you want to get the person to engage in what you do. So by making friends with that person, he or she would want to have always been talking to this person. Let me get to know. She can Google your name. And another one, if you don't have a song on a streaming platform, that's an error. You have to get your song on streaming platform, so that anytime someone is looking out, maybe like D. Henry, M. Fabule, or Casey Praise, or maybe like So Cute Benjamin, once they Google, they see your songs and your profile coming out on Google. So that's another step. Now I've told you how to make friends. Now another one, how do you convert your social media to your stage? So that you don't need to beg people, please put me on your show, please, I just want to minister, even if it's just one song. No. Well, converting your social media page to a stage. First step, you have to have a profile that will interest someone. Wow, who is this person? One, your cover photo will be about music. Second, your profile picture should be about music. Maybe when you're performing somewhere, they capture you. Very nice, not just something you snap with your phone and you feel it okay, you put it there and you say, I am an artist. That's two. Another one, your bio has to talk about music. You don't need to write lengthy stuff. I see people writing a whole page because blah 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 blah. No, straight to the point. Music artist, gospel singer, songwriter, public figure, or social media influencer. Anyhow you want to spell it out, but those are the stuff. Now you have to have your email address, your phone number on your bio. So just this short description about you, perfect. I don't need to read like biography before I get to know you. So it just have to be your phone number, your Gmail, and a little of what you do. So once I see that, I just have to pick your name and let your name on your Facebook correspond with your name on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and any other social media. So I don't want to see Ben Matthew on your profile and I go to Instagram, I see Clever J. It doesn't have anything to do. I will be thinking maybe this is a different person. I have to just scroll and keep finding. Maybe at the end I did not see you. I have to just stop the process. But how will this be? Once you set up this profile, Then you go under your profile, you see featured pictures. You can as well add some of the performances that you've done. Then if you have a song on Play Store or any streaming platform, you attach the song. My next video, I'm going to tell you how to do all this. You attach the song to your profile. So once I just go there, I just click, I click on it, I play the audio. Now first, I'm done with the process that you need to do to just set up your social media channel. Like maybe it should be a stage for you. The next one is having a good sound player. Now then you can as well have like maybe microphone or something nice, but for me I use this to entertain people. Now that's one. And once you do this, the next thing is you set up your song, the song you want to perform for that day. Make a broadcast and telling people that on so time you're going to be live streaming a particular track. And also you can as well attach the link of the song to that your post. So all you need to do is just, I'm going to show you very simple. If it's like maybe inspirational song, gospel song like this, all you have to do is just play it, get your mic and start singing. At the points, there are some points that people will like, oh, I love this song, please, how can I get it? From there you're engaging people on getting to know you and also liking your song. This is what it is like. You called me to yourself when I was struggling. You were simple. You make me smile. You lift me up. Oh, you raise me up. Yeah. When I was down. All right. So with that, you are performing your song. But it has to be planned, not just like as I'm in a live video, I'm just showing you an example. It has to be planned. You have to dress well, package yourself as an artist. So if I listen to that song and I like it, I would want to turn on my notification for your video so that next time you're coming online, I'm getting to listen to you. As you're playing the song, maybe you have the song on Facebook stories, because once you distribute your song with maybe Dope Tunes store, we are going to get the song on 50 streaming platforms. 50 streaming platforms. So all you have to do, use any of those platforms, maybe Facebook, TikTok or Instagram, put it on the status, start miming the song, let people get to like it. If I like it, I'm going to search for any other of your track. By so doing, you are marketing yourself. You are creating a stage for yourself. You are getting to make people like you. Now, also you don't know that if you have your song on digital platform and your people are using it on your stories, on their stories, you're also using it, you're being paid for. And this is what I'm going to talk about in our next live section on Friday, Artist Corner. So feel free, if you have any other maybe questions you want to ask me, feel free. Link on the description. I'm going to attach my WhatsApp number. You can as well send in your WhatsApp messages. And also, you want to distribute your song on digital stores, you can as well send your comments right here, and I'm going to reach out to you. And you want to have a spotlight we'll have a room that we interview artists, and we'll get to make people like your kind of music. You have to explain how you start your career, how your career started, where you started it from. Then we'll get to know you, and also we'll run sponsored ads for artists by making millions of people to get to realize your sound. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.